How to reset your Beko washing machine. The first step is to turn off the washing machine using the power button. Unplug the cord from the wall socket or switch off the circuit breaker. Wait 1 to 5 minutes. This discharges the capacitor and clears the memory, and then plug the machine back in and turn it on. Open and close the door a few times. Some model needs 6 to 12 times for it to work. And then select a short cycle, that's rinse and spin, and then click on start or pause to test. This fixes minor issues like frozen displays or stock cycles. Now, a button reset is just make sure the power is turned on and press and hold the start or pause or cancel button for 3 to 5 seconds. The machine should beep, flash lights, or restart, and then simply release the button when this happens. That way, you have fixed the issue. If it doesn't work, proceed to call a technician.